we provide ethical hacking training. Cybercriminals target customers, personally identifiable information and credit card information, and then sell EHI's records on dark web marketplaces. A course path where you can be a master in ethical hacking. Best ethical hacking training solutions in Pune. Meet our trainer, Satyendra Pal, who has with 13+ years of experience on Red Hat technologies, cloud computing, cybersecurity, penetration testing, ethical hacking, Google Cloud, Azure, containerization, automation, founder and CTO at OpenWeb Cloud Technologies. We offer other courses as well to get deep knowledge of ethical hacking. Unlock your potential in cybersecurity and don't miss the chance to acquire the skills that organizations are actively seeking in cybersecurity professionals.